Episode 8, Spooky Time Banana Nut Chocolate Chip Skull Muffins. Okay, so we've assembled all of our ingredients. We have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt and baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup each of chocolate chips and nuts, 1 cup of butter, or 2 sticks at room temp, 1 splash of fresh cold brew, video coming soon. You can use instant coffee, that's what the recipe calls for, and it's still delicious. 1 egg and 1 cup of sugar, and 1 1/3 cup of mashed bananas. It's about 3 bananas, depending on the size. First, you're going to add the coffee to the bananas and mix them together. Then, you're going to cream together the butter, sugar, and egg until it looks like this. Then combine all dry ingredients and mix. After the butter, sugar, egg is creamed together, put it on low, and you add the dry and then the banana, and you switch off from adding the dry mix and the banana mix into the butter. Do it in like at least 2 different batches of each, just so it mixes together perfectly. And most importantly, make sure you forget to record this so you can't show what the hell you were talking about. Perfect. Now preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's fill our skulls with the batter. There is no set bake time on this recipe. This is from an old index card, so I just set the timer to 10 minutes and then check every 4. And once the top is solid, I'll start doing the toothpick test. If you've made anything in your life, you know what that is. Stick a toothpick or knife into the muffin or cupcake. If it comes out clean, there's still batter on it, keep it back in there. You're good to go. These took a little longer because they are giant skulls, not little baby muffins. And they are done, just like that. Let's check out that cross section. Okay, so super honest, I've been eating this recipe for my entire life. I still to this day have not had a better banana chocolate chip nut muffin from anywhere at all, ever. And if you even say Starbucks, I will block you. And now that these muffins are skulls, Halloween just may not be canceled after all. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week.